do with it. So I'm going to try to work better at this. I'd like to plan these early. The problem is that we never know whether we're going to have hurricanes or other nonsense that causes me to have to redo a bunch of stuff. So it's kind of like I have to wait until the weekend to get this done. So anyway, let's back up. Let's see. Y'all don't want to listen to my sad story. Let's talk about what you're doing this week. Okay. So you guys have for this Monday, it's a work day. So that's the regular, what we've been doing. Week 12 assignments listed right here in blue. This is a talk about where you're developing a code of behavior. And I'm not going to say chivalry, because chivalry was unique to that time period of the medieval times, Middle Ages, that sort of area. But you're going to be looking for 5 behaviors that would have been indicative of chivalry in the 2 Arthurian romances we read. Then you're going to look for 10 behaviors that you think teenagers today should have to fit. And then finally, you're going to write a paragraph where you write about how well you think you personally, as well as your classmates, are doing. I don't mean your whole generation. I want to talk specifically about here, okay? Also, just a heads up, you were supposed to have a test on those 2 Arthurian romances on Tuesday. That's going to be moved to Wednesday because the CP class didn't even get to the second story yet, so we still need to cover it. So Tuesday, we're going to just look at a little history section. I know it's not ever your favorite, but again, it gives us context for the stories we're going to be looking at. So the main notes you need are here. I would add to them as we're reading or talking about them for sure. Because remember, these are notes that you can use on the test. Okay, Wednesday will be your test day. That's going to be over Sir Gawain and the Green Knight, as well as Morte d'Arthur. Both of those will be included on this, all right? Thursday, we're going to go and get back and get that social dilemma writing project started. We were supposed to start it last week. It's going to be a 3-week thing, so this will still carry us right up until Thanksgiving. Sorry about that. Also, the essay you're going to write for me is going to come off of this, so that'll be your big major grade when we come back. All right. And then, of course, Friday, I'm going to allow you time to work on your King Arthur projects. Guys, do not let this slip. Just because we're doing it once a week doesn't mean you can put it on the back burner and forget about it. You have to get this done. It is a test grade. It needs to be done. It needs to be done well. You can't just rely on class time to get it done. Do some planning. Set up some times where you guys can, FaceTime or something outside of school and make sure this is right. I am going to grade them strict. This isn't going to be a you finished it, it's a 100 type of grade. We're not in middle school. You have to do this properly, okay? You can work on that Monday as well if you would choose to. So this is week ahead for us. It's really a catch-up week. Get some final things, and it'll give you your second test grade. We'll be setting up another test grade, and then we're going to start on a new unit, which will also result in another test grade. So you're going to be able to get the tests out of the way pretty quick. So anyway, guys, I hope this is helpful. I know most of you probably don't need these videos. You can just watch it, but especially for my at-home students, I want to make sure you have this available to you. So I apologize for not having the camera up today. It just didn't fit with what I was doing. So I just left it off so it didn't cover up any of the spaces. So it's not like y'all need to see my face anyway, right? Okay, guys. Well, that will, excuse me, get it done. The video will be right up here in just a second. So I'm going to stop recording here and go ahead and make the other 4 I have to do this morning. But I hope you guys have a great week. This is Monday morning when I'm filming this, so I'm prepping and getting ready. So I'm looking forward to seeing you guys soon.